Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and latest government job updates in English. So basically from HPU, that is Haryana Power Utility, there is good opportunity for you. If you give GATE 2022 exam, then you are eligible for this recruitment. This recruitment is for civil, electrical, triple E, that is electrical electronics engineers and mechanical also. Okay, so this recruitment is through GATE 2022 only. So if you have other than 2022 year GATE scorecard, then you are not eligible, right? So under HPU now you get opportunity to work in HPVN, then HPGCL, then UHBVNL and DHBVNL. Okay, the post is assistant engineer. Now we will see categories and branch wise breakdown of vacancies. Okay, the important point is that this recruitment is state recruitment of Haryana. So all the benefits will be given to Haryana domicile candidate. Okay, so if you are applying other from any other state other than Haryana, then you need to apply under general category. Okay, so first is electrical discipline. So for electrical engineers, there is 88 vacancies are reserved. GATE paper code should be EE, and if you are BE BTech in electrical and electrical electronics, then you are eligible for this. Okay, 60% aggregate you should have if you are from general, EWS and OBC for all the candidate, and only relaxation in percentage will be given to 55%, that is for SC category. Then those who give MEM Tech, you can also see the criteria. Okay, 60% you should have in general, and for SC category 55% aggregate you should have if you are from Haryana, right? The compulsory thing is that you should pass Hindi and Sanskrit, means on your mark sheet there should be Hindi and Sanskrit should be mentioned. Okay, same criteria for mechanical engineers, and vacancies are 41. Okay, your GATE paper code should be ME, and for civil engineers total vacancies are 14. Your GATE paper code should be C. Okay, so utility wide distribution also they given to you. So for electrical engineers, as you can see here, for HPVN there are total 22 vacancies. Okay, for PWD 2 vacancies are reserved. For ex-servicemen also there are some vacancies. Then for EWS 2, BC 2, A and B, SC there are 3 vacancies, and for E-level open there is 11 vacancies. Okay, for HPGCL there are also some vacancies are there, that is reserved. So this is for electrical, this is for mechanical. Okay, 41 vacancy distribution, and you have vacancy only in HPGCL. And for civil also there are vacancy in 3 utilities like HPVNL, HPGCL and DHBVNL. Okay, now this is the best thing, that age limit is 42 years. Yes, for all the candidate, for all your India candidate, the age limit is 42 years. So if you are at 30, 32, 33 and you are struggling to get government job, then this is the best opportunity if you already given the GATE exam. Okay, so for general EWS 42 years, for SC, BCA, BCB there is 47 years, and for PWD general 52, and for PWD other categories 57 year is the age limit. Okay, and age limit cutoff date is 23rd of January 2023. For final year students, those who are in final year or final semester, you should have your BE BTech degree in your hand before 23rd of January. Okay, then only you are eligible, otherwise you are not eligible. Okay, now this is important. Basically your GATE score have 80% of weightage. Okay, so 0.8 they will multiply with your GATE score, whatever GATE score you got out of 100 marks, and 20% or 20 marks will be given to socio-economic criteria and experience. Okay, so what are the factors are there, or what are the parameters are there under socio-economic criteria? So basically if neither the applicant nor any person from among the applicant's family, which is father or mother, okay, anyone, has been a regular employee in department board, okay, means in short should not your family member, okay, you should not have the member or the employee of Haryana government, okay, that is in, or any other state government or government of India, means they should means obviously they should not have in your central also, state also. Okay, simple. Then only you will get 10 marks, otherwise you will get here 0. If the applicant is widow, then the first and second child and his father has died before attaining the age of 32. Okay, and the first of the second child and his father had died before the applicant had attained the age of 15 years, then again he will get 10 marks, he or she will get 10 marks. Okay, then if the applicant belongs to such denotified tribe, so Vimukta Jati or Taprivas Datis, okay, so they will get also 10 marks like that. Okay, and experience, so for each year of experience 1 mark they will give you, like this maximum 16 marks you will get for your experience field. Okay, so this is the thing like that. And now if you are fresher, definitely no need to worry for that. Okay, if you will get 0 marks also here, just I will recommend you to apply to this recruitment, because 80% weightage is given to your GATE scorecard. Okay, and under this very less candidate will be there, so yes, you can apply to the recruitment. Shortlisting criteria for document verification is 1:2. So for one vacancy they will call 2 candidate. What are the application fees? So for male candidate of all other states, your fee will be 500 rupees including Haryana state also. Okay, then for female candidate for all other state, your fee will be 125. For male candidate of category SC, BCA, BCB, ASM, EWS of Haryana, because obviously relaxation given to Haryana domicile only, your fee also 125. And for all PWD candidate of Haryana only, you will get 0 rupees. Okay, fee will be 0 rupees. Form will start on 23rd of December 2022 and it will end on 23rd of January 2023. Okay, about document verification, you can expect in February, March somewhere they will call you, right? Now in the comment section, let me know whether you are applying to this recruitment or not, and what is your gate score. Okay, just mention your branch and also mention your gate score, so that we will get idea that what could be the cutoff for this recruitment. Okay, and also whether you will apply or not, also let me know in the comment section. Okay, do subscribe to our channel because this is most important channel if you want selection in government job, and join the Telegram channel. The link is given in the description. All the best.